Friends, if you've ever tried to fix a blurry video or low-resolution photo, you know how frustrating it can be. You spend ages sharpening details or correcting colors, but most tools just don't deliver. That's why I'm excited to show you VideoProc Converter AI. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel, where I make smart tutorials. Today, we'll explore a tool that makes improving visuals quick and effortless. It runs on your computer and uses both your CPU and GPU for quick processing. We'll look at real examples, from improving low-quality clips to upscaling and colorizing images. Plus, I'll show you how to pick the perfect AI model and tweak resolution. And we'll dive into face restoration and colorization to get stunning results. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in and see it in action. Friends, VideoProc Converter is a powerful tool for enhancing the quality of your videos and photos using artificial intelligence. The app offers a wide range of tools. With this tool, you can improve quality and smooth motion. You can also fix shaky footage, restore faces, and more. Guys, image AI tools include denoise, deblur, and colorize shots. There are also advanced audio options like remove background noise and isolate or remove vocals and instruments. These are incredibly powerful features. Once you download and open the app, you'll see all the available tools, from super resolution to image and audio. These are all powered by AI, so let's start with super resolution. The first step is to select footage to enhance. I have a clip that's quite low quality, so let's upgrade it. Right away I can see a preview of the expected improvement. I plan to upscale it by 2 times, or even 3 times. Next, folks, I choose one of 4 models. Gen Detail V3 is a versatile 3rd-generation model, perfect for standard videos or movies. It balances detail and sharpness and is what I usually recommend for most cases. Real Smooth V3 focuses on smoothing and creating fluid motion, ideal for animation or clips where it matters. Meanwhile, Anime preserves the distinctive style of animated content, and Zixt is for special cases that require maximum detail. For now, I'll stick with Gen Detail V3, which is sufficient. Guys, I'll set it to high quality mode and leave fast mode off. Once the generation starts, I can upscale to 3 times, though I can also choose any resolution. For example, I could increase this one to 2K. There's also a de-interlacing option, which converts interlaced video into progressive one, producing a single smooth frame from 2 fields. However, I won't enable it this time. Now I click Run, and the app starts processing. I've selected the device model to use both CPU and GPU, so both my processor and graphics card are utilized simultaneously. You can see the result, mates. From a blurry small clip, we now have a refined 2K version with AI improvement. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Friends, now that we've seen video enhancement, let's move on to images and see the AI in action there. This platform can upscale them, change resolutions, and even improve quality at 1x. It also features face restoration for recovering facial details, and can automatically colorize black and white photos using deep color and hypercolor. Let's try this out with colorizing monochrome image and use the hypercolor feature. Right away we can compare the results. As you can see, now this shot looks brighter and more vivid. After selecting the model, we click Run and wait for the process to finish. Here's what we get. First, the photo has been doubled in size, and second, it's fully colorized. Folks, I think the coloring looks fantastic. Next, mates, I've uploaded a portrait of a child with a resolution of 600 by 400 pixels. As you can see, it's quite a low-quality image. Now I'm going to enhance it to 4K. In the AI model section, I'll select Gen Detail V3. This is a versatile 3rd-generation model that works great with all the visuals. It's perfect for portraits and real-life shots. I'll set the upscale to 4K and enable face restoration. I highly recommend this feature for any pictures with people. The AI automatically detects faces and restores details like the eyes, skin, and facial features. Everything becomes much sharper and more natural. Friends, here's a side-by-side comparison of the result versus the original photo. The outcome is top-notch. I click Run and wait for the process to finish. And that's a wrap, folks. Today we explored VideoProc Converter AI, and the results are nice. From blurry, low-resolution clips to small photos, this tool can upscale and restore details you might have thought were lost. Gen Detail V3 is my go-to for sharpening portraits and standard videos, while Real Smooth V3 keeps motion silky and seamless. And Face Restoration feature sharpens every detail and brings your images vividly to life. Folks, I love how intuitive it is. Even complex edits feel effortless, and the results look natural. Guys, there's also a special New Year's offer: 55% off a lifetime license, plus 4 extra tools for free. It's a great time to give it a go. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.